Good morning. We'll start session 2 on chapter construction. So in today's construction part, it is construction of some special type of triangles. Let us see that. Second exercise and the last exercise. Construct a triangle ABC. We always know that construction of triangle or any construction part should always be with a rough diagram. So this is a rough diagram ABC. We see to it that you have a base measurement always 7 centimeter and the angle if it is given should always be in base. So construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, B is 75 degree, AB plus AC is equal to 13 centimeter. So let's go for it. So we construct BC as a base 7 centimeter. Okay, so we'll mark the base as 7 centimeter first. Write that BC, which is 7 centimeter. Then see here, sometimes in your school for this 75 degree also they will tell that you have to do the actual construction and do it, but they have not mentioned we are constructing a triangle. I go for a normal protractor 75 degree construction. But in your school they insist that you have to construct 75 degree angle here and do it. You know how to construct 75 degree. We have done that in the previous session. So by keeping your protractor here, I will mark this for 75 degree. So the 75 degree comes here. Okay. Just extend this line. Till where? We don't know till where. Right? Now, this is what they have given, but AB measurement and AC measurement is not mentioned. But they have given that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. So now what we have to do here is, we have to cut it for 13 centimeter. So now, we will cut the line, actually AB, it is not actually A, but the line segment, we will cut it for 13 centimeter. My measurements might not be accurate with this respect to this, so it's actually coming here. So this is 13 centimeter. But what is this? Is it A? No. This is some unknown part which is X I will mark, because that I marked this for 13 centimeter AB plus AC. Still A is not found out. A I have to find. After finding A, I have to join that C to A. So this 13 centimeter I marked. Our next thing is to join CX. Don't worry. In your book, it will not come that big here. If it comes big, use a longer scale. We marked it here, right? Now, our next step is to bisect the line CX. How do we bisect the line CX? Perpendicular bisector. Take more than half. Okay. Then cut arc on both the sides. We know do we do this, right? Let me first draw the arc, otherwise later I'll just miss it. Keep it here. Keep it here and cut it to this side also. Okay. Now what I will do, this line, what bisection I have done, I will just join this with the dotted line. Also what you can do is, this CX line what you have drawn, right? This is not the original triangle line, correct? So let us draw this also by dotted line. That is not an original triangle. Let us consider that by a dotted line only. Perpendicular bisector, also we will draw it by a dotted line. Make sure that perpendicular bisector will actually cut on this line segment. Don't go with my construction, the measurements will not be accurate here what I do it on the board, right? Now see, the perpendicular bisector will cut at some point on this line BX. It is here. This point is A. Your line might come somewhere here, children, right? You will only come to know actually when you do the perpendicular bisector. Bisect CX line. Now what we have to do? We have to join AC. So ABC is the required triangle. Measure AB and measure AC. Add them. You will get 13 centimeter and you have to get 13 centimeter. Right? This is the construction. Steps for construction is not asked, but you can still anytime go through the steps for construction in the given worked example. Let's see the next one. Now next one is minus. Okay. How to do the minus construction? Let us first see and understand that. Even minus or plus, whatever is a construction, base, angle and side should be mentioned. In triangle ABC, let me again consider this as BC as 8 centimeter, angle B as 45 degree, then AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, same type again. Now let's see what we have to do. Let us first consider the base as 8 centimeter. So BC 8 centimeter as the base, with B as 45 degree. Again 45 degree can be as well constructed using compass. We have done that yesterday. 45 degree will come here. Just extend this line for 45 degree. Till where? We don't know. Extend it. Now, this should be somewhere point A. But where is that point A? We don't know. But what is AB minus AC? 3.5. Now, on this point B, cut an arc for 3.5 centimeter. Okay? So we'll cut it for 3.5. Keep my compass here, cut this for 3.5 and this is here. So this point is unknown to me, which is X. Okay? What I have to do? Join CX. See, procedure is same. Whatever point you have taken, you have marked it. We actually join that point. Then, which line I have to bisect? CX line I have to bisect. Whatever the joined line to the unknown value vertex, that line has to be bisected. There is also another method for this, children, for minus as well as for plus. I have done this method. If in your school another method is done, if you find it easy, you can as well do it. I'll stick to this method. Even in textbook worked example, if you see, they have given you two methods. One or the alternate one. Let me bisect this line segment. More than half already it is there. So one arc here. Let me first draw this arc. And another arc here. It is here somewhere. From here the arc comes. And from here the arc comes. No adjustment. If the arc is missing, redo that arc part. Okay. Okay. This is the point. Now, what I have to do is here. I have to actually join this dotted line. Now, the thing is, where it has to go and meet? It has to go and meet this triangle line. I will rub this, children. Extend this triangle line now. Okay? Let me extend this triangle line. Let me also extend this part here. Actually, it is extending too much. This will not extend this much, children, until unless your measurements are accurate. Okay. But did you understand what did I do? We have to extend it. Since my measurements won't come, see, if I take 4 centimeter, my 4 centimeter will come, or 8 centimeter, right? My 8 centimeter will come very small. I can't be doing that construction. So I have to consider a bit bigger part here to show you. But did you get my point? When we bisect this line segment, we draw a line. We extend it in such a manner that when BX is extended, it will go and meet at a particular point. That point is A. Now, join AC. ABC is a required triangle. Measure AB, measure AC. Subtract that. You are going to get 3.5 as an answer. So actually when you do this, you will get to see the point of contact. I think, see the point of contact what you get in a triangle, something that's going to be like this, children. So this one was for 45, right? And what point? I had marked it for 3.5 here and we join here. My bisection will actually come something like this. Easy for me to join. This is the triangle and I join this A, B and C. Got this how? Okay. Here it went a bit more, but this is how the construction is going to be. We will do one more sum on minus. See, one thing you remember. Draw the given base. Draw the given angle. This is the base. This is the angle. Till where? We don't know. Whatever the plus part is given, cut till there. Join the dotted line. Whatever line you have drawn, bisect that. That is what. Where the bisection line meets the original line where angle is drawn, the point of intersection is the point A, final point. The same thing what we do for subtraction also. We have one more sum for subtraction. Let's do that quickly. A very important construction which is asked for 3 or 4 marks. So a triangle PQR, third one. Where QR is 6 centimeter and Q is 60 degree and PR minus PQ is 2 centimeter. Let me draw the base for 6 centimeter first. This is QR. 60 degree, again left to you, whether if you have to do that by an actual construction then. 60 degree, let me mark it here now. So 60 degree is here. Draw 60 degree angle with respect to this. For what I have to cut? I have to cut that for 2 centimeter. Take 2 centimeter radius and cut an arc for 2 centimeter. Here. We'll name this point as Y. Okay. Join YR. We do this by dotted lines because this is not an actual triangle what we require. Next part, bisect to YR. Whatever dotted line you draw, that you are supposed to bisect it. Take more than half radius. Line bisection, what we do? So, if I have to see, it is here and here. One second, I think I just messed up with this bisection part. Let me do it once again. Slightly, if you go wrong with the bisector part also, children, what will happen is your line triangle, what you have to construct it now, that will go wrong. Let me actually do this. Extend this. Extend this. Extend this part so that it will go and actually join. Yeah, it's becoming difficult for me to go and join it here because it will extend mine here, but the thing is yours will definitely join, children. Did you get this point of bisection? Because here the compass drawing also, what I do accurately doesn't come, right? Slightly if it comes here, then it will go and join. So a point, example, if I have to just show you, QR is the base where we cut this for 45 degree, right? 45 degree what you have cut and mark it for 2 centimeter. Join this line, then draw the perpendicular bisector, which comes something like this. This perpendicular bisector will go and join this. This point is P. This P, you join that with R. This is how the construction comes. So, PQR is the required triangle. Check with PQ and check with PR. Subtract that, you're going to get that. Sorry, not 45. 45 was the previous. 60. My rough figure is already saying 60 and I have marked 45. Anyhow, we have marked it 60. Okay. This is how the whole construction about. So I gave you here. Actually, when you do it, children, you will definitely get it, right? Rather, see, this is how the figure will be. Do it. If you still find that your line is not joining, please call and we can just discuss what it can be done. Next one is a very important construction. It's a definite question. See, in the construction part, this either of 1 plus or minus will be asked. For sure and definite you can say. And the next construction which I am going to teach now, that is construct a triangle where 2 angles and its perimeter is given. That is a sure question which will be asked. Take down the next one. Construct a triangle XYZ. So YZ. XYZ, where Y is 30 degree and Z is 90 degree. Okay, we'll have a triangle like this. Then Z is 90 degree and 30 degree. Perimeter. See, sometimes they'll give you XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeter. But what is this? Sum of all the 3 sides of a triangle. Construct a triangle whose perimeter is 11 centimeter and the base angles are. Am I right? These are the base angles. Question can also be asked like this. For this question, what we have to do is, we have to just imagine, that the base is nothing but the perimeter. So, what was the perimeter given? Perimeter is given as 11 centimeter, right? Sum of all. We will draw the base for 11 centimeter here. Right? This is not your XY. This is AB. Here we have to construct XY. That is, for example, so look at the work. See, this is something what I have drawn now. AB. 11 centimeter. On line segment AB, I have to construct this one. Right? How to do that? We will see. Next, what we will do is here now. Base angles. According to them is 30 and 90. No? I'll construct 30 here. Again, the construction left to you. In your school, if they tell you that, it has to be with respect to actual compass construction, you have to go with it. So, this is 30 degree and this is 90 degree. Very clear? Don't join. Keep it as it is. Done? First part is over. Next. What we are supposed to do now is draw the angular bisectors of this 30 degree and 90 degree. We know angular bisector is for 30 is 15, for 90 is 45. We can't mark it. We have to show it. How to construct angular bisector? One arc here, one arc here first. Right? From the same point, one arc inside and one arc outside. So it comes here. Let me draw the angular bisector of this angle. Right? Similarly, I have to draw angular bisector of 45 degree as well. Cut here and cut here. From here again, angle bisector. Yesterday's first session I had just discussed about that. Right? We will just draw it from this part. And make sure that the angular bisectors what you have drawn will meet. I'll make sure that angular bisector of 30 degree and angular bisector of which one? I will draw this in dotted lines only because that is not still the original triangle. If you want, all this can be in dotted lines. Angular bisectors of 30 degree that is and 90 degree will meet at a point. And children, that point of intersection is X. Okay? So your X point is found out now. Now, let us find out Y and Z point. How to find that? Draw a perpendicular bisector for AX. One by one we will do it. More than half. Arc here. Arc here. I can't see the arc. I'll draw once again. Perpendicular bisector of this, arc here and arc here. Join this. Again dotted lines. Do this construction very neatly. You got this point? Mark this point as Y. Okay? Then perpendicular bisector of BX. Don't worry, I will draw once again a rough figure and show you once again how. Perpendicular bisector of BX. So perpendicular bisector half here and half here. This point half and half. Mark this here. This point is Z. You have now X, Y and Z. Okay. So this is your required triangle. See, we got 90. Take a protractor and measure. This will be 90 and this will be 30 degree. So if you take a protractor and measure, children, you will get it right. Now roughly I'll show you once again the construction. You will understand. So basically, first what we will do now, we will draw the base as perimeter AB 11 centimeter. Why? Because they have given xy plus yz plus zx. Whatever perimeter is given, we draw that perimeter as a base. Consider that base as AB. Then base angles are to be drawn respectively here. Keep your protractor, draw this for 30 degree. Keep your protractor, draw this for 90 degree, right? After doing that, angular bisectors of this we draw for 30. Angular bisector for this we draw. Now how do you draw? You know that. Okay. After doing that, make sure that these two will meet at a point, and that point is your X point. Then perpendicular bisector, draw for AX. Take more than half, arc on both the sides, cut it. You get a point of intersection Y. Perpendicular bisector for BX. Take more than half and join it. This point of intersection is called as Z. Now join XY and XZ. See, did you get a right angle triangle? Of course, yes. Take a protractor and measure. This has to be 90 and this has to be 30. Still, if you want to reconfirm, measure XY, measure YZ, XZ and XY. Add them. Accurate, it has to be 11 centimeter. Of course, sometimes it will come 10.9. Depends on how accurately you have drawn, compass, how sharpened your pencil is, all that matters. Otherwise, this comes perfectly, right? A very important question. Roughly also have explained it to you. Re-watch it again. See, at once you will not understand. Re-watch this construction video, pause it again and again to get more and more, to become more and more perfect. And the last construction. Last is a very simple construction what we have. Let's finish this quickly, but the measurement is a quite big here. I request you to go for at least a 30 centimeter scale for this construction. Construct a right angle triangle. So whenever they say it's a right angle triangle, please draw a right angle triangle. Construct a right angle triangle. Let us consider as ABC is a right angle triangle whose base is 12 centimeter and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. Sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter, right? So it's like again sum of the sides part. Let us do. So first of all, let us draw a right angle triangle whose base is 18 centimeter. 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter is the base. This is BC, which is 12 centimeter. Use your protractor or compass. I know 90 degree you can draw a straight line, but still I suggest, I want you all to either use a protractor or a compass for construction. Mark it for 90 degree. So mark it for 90 degree. If you are marked for 90 degree, for what centimeter you have to cut this now? Because it is BC plus AB is equal to 18 centimeter according to them. I have to cut this for 18 centimeter now. Let me cut this for 18 centimeter. Quite difficult in your scale, but you have to do it, right? Okay. You should have a longer scale for this. It's coming here. Even my compass will not support for this, but still, but you will definitely get it. Okay, 18 centimeter will be cut here. Simple. Mark for 9 centimeter. Mark for another 9 centimeter. Right? That way also you can do it, children. Mark a point for 9. From there, mark a point for another 9 if it is not possible. Right? We can do any adjustment. 15 centimeter plus you can do it and do. So anything is possible. So now that without a longer scale you can't do it. No. 18 they have given. Add it and do it. 9 and 9. 10 and 8. Any combination you do it and get it done. So, but joining part will be difficult. You have to do that accurately. Okay, we joined it. Yes, this had to be a dotted line now. because it is not the 1. So this is B, this is C, and this is going to be X. I have still not found out A. How to find out the point A now? Bisect XCX. Take more than half radius, cut it on either side. So the arc is here, the arc is here. The arc is here, the arc is here. Yes, so got an arc. Right? It is cutting at this point. What is this point? This point is A. So with that respect, I have to join AC. ABC is a required right angle triangle. Check if you want. This is given as 12. Add AB and add AC. You have to get that as 18 centimeter and you will get it. If you don't get, your construction has gone wrong. There are also worked examples on the second exercise, children, on all the variants like plus, minus and the perimeters. Do that, you will get more and more practice. And also I have given some of these type of sums in the question bank assignment book also, practice them. With this, we complete today's session 2 on chapter construction. As well, we completed the chapter construction.